Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. I request to you, please subscribe this channel and also share this video in your friend circle. Today I am going to start a new chapter, new lesson, exercise or new exercise 8.4. Okay. Exercise 8.4. First question. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A and tan A in term of cot A. Okay. Solution. We know that tan A, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. So we write here tan A into cot A is equal to 1. Therefore tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Okay. Next, because according to the formula sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Therefore sec A is equal to root under 1 plus tan square A is equal to root under 1 plus, here tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So I put the value of tan A 1 by cot A. Here is square, tan square, so the whole square is equal to 1 plus 1 square 1 and cot A the whole square is equal to cot square A. Implies LCM cot is equal to LCM cot square A, then cot square A plus 1 is equal to root under cot square A plus 1 by root under cot square A is equal to cot A. Okay. Again, because tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Therefore sin A is equal to tan A into cos A is equal to tan A is equal to 1 by cot A into cos A is equal to 1 by sec A is equal to 1 by cot A into 1 by sec A. The value of sec A is equal to root under cot square A plus 1 by cot A is equal to 1 by cot A into cot A. This is the main line, so cot A 1 into, so cot A go to the place of nominator, 1 into cot A by root under cot square A plus 1. Cot A cancel is equal to 1 by root under cot square A plus 1. If rearrange, then 1 by root under 1 plus cot square A Similarly, if we rearrange this, then root under 1 plus cot square a by cot a. Now write, hence sin a is equal to 1 by root under 1 plus cot square a. Sec a is equal to root under 1 plus cot square a by cot a. Tan a is equal to 1 by cot a. Answer. The next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Write all the other trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Solution. Because cos A into sec A is equal to 1. Therefore, cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. Again, because sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A is equal to 1 minus 1 by sec A the whole square is equal to 1 minus 1 by sec square is equal to LCM sec square A, then sec square A minus 1. Therefore, sin A is equal to root under sec square A minus 1 by sec square A is equal to root under sec square A minus 1 by sec square, the root of square root of sec square A is equal to sec A. Because tan square A is equal to sec square A minus 1, therefore tan A is equal to root under sec square A minus 1. Because sin A into cosec A is equal to 1, therefore cosec A is equal to 1 by sin A is equal to 1 by the value of sin A root under sec square A minus 1 by sec A is equal to sec A by root under sec square A minus 1. Because tan A into cot A is equal to 1, therefore cot A is equal to 1 by tan A is equal to 1 by tan A root under sec square A minus 1. Hence sin A is equal to root under sec square A minus 1 by sec A. Cos A is equal to 1 by sec A. Tan A is equal to root under sec square A minus 1. Cosec A is equal to sec A by root under sec square A minus 1. Cot A is equal to 1 by root under sec square a minus 1. Answer. Question number 3. Evaluate. 1. Sin square 63 plus sin square 27 by cos square 17 plus cos square 73. Second, sin 25 into cos 65 plus cos 25 into sin 65. Solve. Solution 3, 1. Sin square 63 plus sin square 27 degree by cos square 17 degree plus cos square 73 degree is equal to. Now I am going to change sin 27. Okay, sin square 63 plus sin 27, we write 90 degree minus 90 minus 63 is equal to 27. So sin 90 minus 63 the whole square. By same process in denominator we change only cos 17. Okay, cos 90 minus 90 degree minus 73, we subtract 73 from 90, then we get 17. So cos 90 minus 73 the whole square plus cos square 73 is equal to sin square 63 plus sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So cos square 63, because here square, so square, cos 90 minus theta sin theta, so sin square 73 plus cos square 73 is equal to, according to the formula, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So the value of theta is 63. So sin square 63 plus cos square 63 is equal to 1. Similarly, sin square 73 plus cos square 73 is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Answer. Question number 2. Sin 25 cos 65 25 degree cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree sin 65 degree. Now I am change in the first term 65 and the second also 65. Okay, then sin 25 degree into cos 90 degree minus 25. We subtract 25 from 90, then we get 65 plus cos 25 into sin 90 minus 25 is equal to sin 25 into sin 25 plus cos 25 into cos 25. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, sin 90 minus theta cos theta. Therefore sin 25 into sin 25 is equal to sin square 25 plus cos 25 into cos 25 is cos square 25. Therefore sin square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so sin square 25 plus cos square 25 is equal to 1. Now the next question, question number 4. First, question number 4. Choose the correct option. Justify your choice. First, 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a is equal to. Okay. Solution 4, 1. 9 sec square a minus 9 tan square a. I common 9. Okay. Then sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 9. According to the formula, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Is equal to 9 into 1 is equal to 9. So option is 9, option is B. Okay, the correct option is B. Okay, the next question number 2. 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to. Now I am multiply 1 from 1 to 1 cos a minus cosec a, again tan theta and again sec theta. Okay, from 1 into 1 plus 1 into cot theta plus minus 1 into cosec theta plus tan theta into 1 tan theta plus tan theta into cot theta minus tan theta into cosec theta plus sec theta plus sec theta into cot theta minus sec theta into cosec theta is equal to 1 plus cot theta, then cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta minus cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta plus tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta plus tan theta into cot theta according to the formula 1 minus tan theta is equal to sin theta bata cos theta into cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta plus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta into cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta minus sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta into cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, then sin theta cancel, cos theta cancel. Okay, then 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 minus 1 by sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Minus 1 by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta minus 1 by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta minus 1 by 1 into 1 cos theta into sin theta is equal to cos theta into sin theta, then 1 by cos theta into sin theta minus 1 by sin theta and plus 1 by sin theta cancel, minus 1 by cos theta and plus 1 by cos theta cancel is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta minus 1 by rearrange sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2 plus sin theta into cos theta LCM, then cos theta into cos theta cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta sin square theta is minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta is equal to 2 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. This is cancel, plus and minus is equal to 2. So your answer is C. Okay. The next question 3. sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Sec a plus tan a into 1 minus sin a. Is equal to sec a is equal to 1 by cos a plus sin a is equal to sin a by cos a into 1 minus sin a is equal to cos a LCM cos a 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a is equal to, according to the algebraic formula, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. According to the formula, 1 square minus sin a the whole square by cos a is equal to 1 minus sin square a by cos a is equal to 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta is equal to cos square. So 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a by cos a. Cos square a is equal to cos a into cos a by cos a. Cos a cancel is equal to cos a. So your answer is cos a, D. The next 4. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So sec square a. 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cos square theta. So 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a is equal to sec square a is equal to 1 by cos square a. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So sec square a is equal to 1 by cos square a. Similarly, cosec square a is equal to 1 by sin square a is equal to 1 into sin square a by cos square a into 1 is equal to sin square a by cos square a is equal to sin a by cos a the whole square is equal to sin a by cos a, sin theta by cos theta, tan theta is equal to tan square a. Okay, so your answer D, tan square a. The next question, prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expression are defined. Okay, the first solution, first question is cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, solution. LHS, left hand side is LHS is equal to cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square. According to the algebraic formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to cosec square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta into cot theta cos theta by sin theta. Okay, cosec square theta is equal to 1 by sin square theta plus cot square theta, because cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, so 1 by sin square theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, so cot square theta is equal to cos square theta by sin square theta minus 2 cos theta by 2 into 1 2 into cos theta, cos 2 cos theta, sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. LCM is equal to sin square theta. So 1 plus cos square theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab. If we arrange this, then this is 1 plus cot square theta minus 2 cos is equal to, in the form 1 square plus cos theta the whole square minus 2 into 1 into cos theta by sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta the whole square by sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta into the whole square by 1 square minus cos theta the whole square, a square minus b square is equal to 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, means 1 plus cos theta into a minus b, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta cancel is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equal to RHS proved. Okay, the next question, question number 2. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Solution. LHS is equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. LCM is equal to 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, so 1 plus sin A divided 1 plus sin A into cos A, then we get cos A. So cos A into cos A, cos square A, plus cos A divided, then we get 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A is equal to 1 plus sin A the whole square is equal to cos square A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means that 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A is equal to cos square A plus 1 plus, sorry, cos sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a is equal to 2 common, 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a into cos a. So 1 plus sin a cancel, 2 by cos a is equal to 2 into 1 by cos a is equal to 2 into sec a is equal to 2 sec a is equal to RHS proved. Now I am giving you questions for practice. Okay, question number 1, express the ratios cos a, tan a and sec a in the terms of sin a. Okay, next prove that sec a into 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a is equal to 1. Second, cot a minus cos a by cot a plus cos a is equal to cosec a minus 1 by cosec a plus 1. Next, sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Good night.